How to replace the air filter on your Polaris Sportsman. This literally takes about 3 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do is remove the keister cushion. Go ahead and lift up on the back and just pop that right off. Okay, now with the seat off, you'll see where the air filter is, right towards the front there. And you'll see the 2 thumb screws at the top. Go ahead and remove those. Once you have those removed, just pull back on it and lift up, and that cover will come right off. And then right in here is your air filter. Go ahead and pull that out. And you'll notice the opened end goes towards the front of the machine. And yes, mine is filthy. Something built a nest in there. Now I run an aftermarket K&N filter element, and then I also put a sock on it. This will help keep a lot of the large debris out of there. Leaves and sticks and all kinds of other weird things that get in there. If you order what I have here, it's going to come with a hose clamp. You don't need that. Go ahead and get rid of it. But just go ahead and slip your sock right down over the filter element. And you'll see how the sock fits over each end. Now, like me, if you're just getting your machine out after a long winter solstice and something built a nest in there, make sure you vacuum all that garbage out of there. And then down inside there, you'll see the hole where that air filter sits. There's a little cradle there, and then the hole where you line up the end. So once that air box is all cleaned out again, open end towards the front of the machine. Go ahead and stick it in that little area I showed you in there. And you'll feel it hit in there. Go ahead and you'll see the 2 tabs on the bottom here. They align with 2 slits down below. And then go ahead and reinstall your thumb screws. So once you have that done, go ahead and reinstall your seat. Machine's breathing better, and you're all ready to hit the trail again. Really hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be having more Polaris stuff coming here shortly. And as always, I really appreciate the support, and thank you for watching.